Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report comments and replies to comments that have been posted under your videos on YouTube through the YouTube Studio application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to YouTube and log into your account, and to access the YouTube Studio app, for example via Google Chrome, click into your channel icon in the top right corner and head over to YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu here. Inside your YouTube Studio, guys, head over to the community here on the left panel, and after that go through that list of published replies and comments under your videos. You will see the associated video here to the right and these comments. So simply go through these comments, and if there is a comment you would like to report because you don't like the language and so on and so forth, you may simply do that by clicking into these three dots next to the given comment and select report, and after that you will be redirected to that menu here. So here you may select a reason, for example, select one of these, click on report here to confirm, and after that the given report will be submitted for review, and YouTube will decide whether to remove the given comment or not. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we report comments on YouTube in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.